Diddy fights for right to wear own clothes in court as part of legal strategy. The legal proceedings against Sean Diddy Combs have been a major focus of media attention, and one of the most unexpected headlines to emerge has been the reason behind his choice of courtroom attire. While it might seem like a trivial detail, the decision for Diddy to wear his own clothes instead of a prison jumpsuit has been a strategic move by his legal team, one they have had to defend and explain in court. The sweater defense. The crux of the matter lies in a legal strategy known as the sweater defense, a term coined by Combs's lawyers. Diddy's legal team successfully argued to the judge that their client should be allowed to wear his own clothing rather than the standard-issue beige prison garb. The rationale behind this is to influence the jury's perception of the defendant. The sight of a person in a prison uniform can subconsciously create a sense of guilt in the minds of jurors, potentially prejudicing them against the defendant before any evidence is even presented. This is seen as a violation of the right to a fair trial. Diddy's team has been meticulous in their approach. Instead of the flashy, high-fashion clothes he is known for, Combs has appeared in court wearing simple, modest attire, most notably a series of sweaters over button-down shirts. A fashion expert consulted by a media outlet explained that this choice is deliberate. It projects an image of a humble, non-threatening, and almost scholarly individual, a stark contrast to the flamboyant public persona of Diddy and the serious allegations of sex trafficking and racketeering he faces. The sweaters in this context are meant to provide their own kind of testimony, silently arguing for his innocence and challenging the narrative of a cold-blooded criminal. Legal limitations and courtroom appearances. While the judge granted Diddy the right to wear his own clothes, there were limitations. Court documents reveal he was permitted to have up to 5 button-down shirts, up to 5 pairs of pants, up to 5 sweaters, up to 5 pairs of socks, and up to 2 pairs of shoes without laces. This shows that even this seemingly small victory was carefully negotiated and monitored. The issue of Diddy's attire became a point of contention again recently. In a recent hearing where there was no jury present, the judge ordered Combs to appear in his standard-issue prison uniform. The judge reportedly said that the defense failed to provide a legal precedent or a reason why Combs should be allowed to wear civilian clothes when there was no jury to be influenced. This decision further highlights that the defense's strategy is entirely based on influencing the jury's perception. In essence, Diddy and his legal team have to explain his choice of attire not because it's a matter of personal style, but because it is a fundamental part of their legal defense. By presenting him in a way that humanizes him and challenges the stereotypical image of an accused criminal, they are attempting to level the playing field and ensure that the jury's verdict is based solely on the evidence presented in the courtroom, not on his appearance. The choice to wear a sweater is, therefore, a strategic and calculated move that is at the very core of his defense.